The sky just got a whole lot more exciting. DJI has finally revealed the Mini 5 Pro, and it's already shaking up the drone community. Lighter, smarter, and more powerful than ever, this drone promises to be a real game changer for both hobbyists and professionals. But here's the big question. Does it truly live up to the hype? Can it outperform the already beloved Mini 4 Pro, or is it just another rebranded upgrade? In this review, we're diving deep into everything you need to know, from design and build quality to flight performance, camera power, battery life, intelligent features, and real-world value in 2025. Whether you're picking up your first drone or you're a pro looking for a portable powerhouse, this video is made for you. Because the Mini 5 Pro isn't just about flying, it's about capturing the world in a whole new way. Camera and imaging power. One of the standout upgrades here is the advanced camera system. With a larger CMOS sensor, the Mini 5 Pro shoots breathtaking 4K video at high frame rates, delivers stunning low-light performance, and captures HDR video with vivid colors and rich detail. Photographers will love the raw shooting capability, wider aperture, and sharper depth of field. Put simply, this tiny drone delivers cinematic footage that rivals larger, more expensive models. Stabilization and flight performance. DJI has also taken stability to the next level. The updated 3-axis gimbal ensures buttery smooth shots, even in windy conditions, while the enhanced propulsion system packs more power and efficiency. The all-around obstacle detection system is smarter than ever, keeping your flight safe, while intelligent flight modes like Active Track 360 and Point of Interest let you create professional-looking shots with ease. Durability and battery life. With up to 40 minutes of flight time on the standard battery, and even more with the extended option, you'll spend less time charging and more time creating. Plus, the improved frame makes the Mini 5 Pro more resilient to bumps, making it an ideal travel companion. Design and portability. Despite weighing under 250 grams, the Mini 5 Pro feels solid and premium. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it ultra-portable, while the refined aerodynamics improve both efficiency and style. The redesigned gimbal housing adds extra protection and allows for more creative shooting angles. Intelligent features and connectivity. DJI has packed this drone with smart features. Master shots for automated cinematic sequences, quick transfer for instant wireless sharing, and the upgraded OcuSync transmission system for stable video feeds at long ranges. Paired with the new RC controller with a built-in display,
flying feels seamless and professional. Final verdict, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a remarkable leap in drone technology, combining portability,
cinematic imaging, long battery life, and advanced features in a lightweight package. It bridges the gap between hobbyist drones and pro gear, making it perfect for travelers, creators, and filmmakers alike. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful drone in 2025, the Mini 5 Pro is an investment that delivers on every front. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more epic tech content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep the adventure alive with Gadgetverse.